What makes TrueFlow fundamentally different from other spirometry technologies on the market?
To answer that, let me explain how the sensor works. The ultrasonic flow sensor operating principle is quite simple. If I explain it, I usually compare it to a flight from Europe to the US. If a jet flies from here to the US, it takes a certain time, but when it flies back, the time is shorter. And the reason for that is that the jet in one direction flies against the wind and in the other direction flies with the wind. And that is exactly what we do in the ultrasonic flow sensor. We send a pulse and measure the travel time in one direction and in the other direction. These times need to be measured really precisely, and when we do that, we can determine how fast the wind blows, how fast your breathing is. That is the operating principle. Now, the advantages of that principle is that it is, when you do it correctly, it is independent of the air temperature. You measure the wind, the flow rate, independent of air temperature. It's independent of the gas composition, and it's independent of humidity and other factors. That is fundamentally important, since in human breathing, the air temperature changes quite a bit and the gas composition changes quite a bit, because I live and I absorb O2 and I exhale CO2. And therefore, that sensor is really ideal for the application in human breathing.